So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So you can see I got two Seig Xcaliburs. So this one here is the original Takara Tomy one and this one is the fake one. So I just wanted to make a video about the original one, but this is not a stock combo. So this one is not a stock Beyblade, so it's a combo, but this one is pretty stock. It's actually a fake one. So fake one, we got the Excalibur layer, and I guess we got something similar to one disc. We got this iron driver. So that's the whole intention, to bring this particular Excalibur, the fake one here, because the real one I have is, so we got this Excalibur layer, but the god chip is not Excalibur's. Again we got a one disc here, but this time the driver is not iron, it's a sword driver. So if I had the actual iron driver from Takara Tomy, we would not be using fake. And this video we are doing because some of you requested this, so that's why we are making this video. And for competition, we're gonna bring these two guys in here. So you remember Ragnarok from Beyblade Evolution and Fafnir Drain Nothing from Beyblade Revolution. So guys, these two are competition for Excaliburs. So let me bring out my weighing scale to weigh these guys. So the fake Excalibur, let's see how much it weighs. So the fake Excalibur weighs 42.36 grams. Now the Takara Tomy one with the sword combination, it's 46.44. So which means it's roughly 4 grams heavier. It may be because of the driver. Let's compare the driver as well. So the fake iron driver is 5.3 grams. Wow, okay, and this one is 9 grams. So I guess the driver is making a lot of difference in terms of weight. No worries though. So obviously the sword driver is like 4 grams heavier. Now let's weigh Fafnir. So Fafnir is pretty light, it's 40 grams. So I guess this Excalibur should not have a problem with Fafnir. And the Ragnarok is even more lighter, that's 38 grams. So this one is 38, this one is 40, this one is 42, and this one is 46. So I guess this guy should win. So guys, let's not waste any more further time. Let me bring out the stadium and let's do the battle. So guys, our stadium is set up and we are ready for the very first battle. So first battle is gonna be between Ragnarok versus Seig Xcalibur, and this one is Takara Tomy version, but the driver is the sword driver. So let me launch Ragnarok first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! So Ragnarok won. So I guess it took the center, and that's where Excalibur has the disadvantage. Let me give it another shot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! So again Excalibur lost. Let's give it one more shot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! Oh my god guys, Ragnarok busted Seig Xcalibur. So I literally got no clue guys. I mean, Ragnarok is pretty amazing bay. So for your information, this Ragnarok has busted a lot of my base. So don't underestimate this guy. So we're gonna go for one last battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! So I guess this Seig Xcalibur is not matching up with Ragnarok, but that doesn't mean it's a bad Beyblade, because when two separate people battle with strategy, it's gonna be a totally different thing. So now I'm gonna battle this guy against the fake Excalibur. So let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna launch Ragnarok first. Let it rip! Let it rip! So oh my god, that's a disaster. So I guess Ragnarok is pretty amazing guys. In the first trial, the fake Excalibur did burst. So let's give it another shot. Let it rip! Let it rip! So I guess Excalibur has wasted its stamina. And even after that also it burst. I mean, now I am having my doubts. Is it actually stamina type, or is it a defense type or attack type? So let's give it one more shot. Let it rip. Let it rip. I guess again pretty bad launch, and it lost all the stamina. Oh my god. So Excalibur was able to pull a win at the end. So as I already said, don't underestimate a bay. It could surprise you. And that's what this guy did. So pretty good. I'm happy with the results. And honestly guys, this battle could change any time. It depends on with whom you are battling with and how they are battling. So that is also a bigger factor. So guys, let's move on to Fafnir. So now we're gonna do a battle between Fafnir and fake Excalibur. Then after this, we're gonna move to our Takara Tomy Excalibur. So first I'm gonna launch Fafnir. Let it rip. Now Excalibur. Let it rip. So I guess the first round will be taken up easily by Fafnir. And yes, that is the case. Fafnir won it easily. Let's give it one more shot. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, Fafnir is losing its balance, guys. And still Fafnir was able to pull a win. Let's do one last battle between these two. Then we'll battle with the real Takara one. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh my god, guys, our fake Excalibur has busted in the third battle. So I guess it's no match for Fafnir. And the reason is because Fafnir is a pretty amazing bay. Take my word for it. If I have to pick one bay from Evolution series, Fafnir is gonna be the one bay. So guys, I'm gonna take this guy out and I'm gonna bring the real Takara Excalibur and we're gonna do the same thing. So here goes Fafnir. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, this guy is pretty crazy, guys. But still Fafnir outlasted this guy. So guys, let's give it another shot. Let it rip. Let it rip. Okay, Fafnir did win but with a split second, but still win is a win. So guys, I'm gonna do one last battle. So guys, this concludes the video. Fafnir won. So honestly saying guys, Seig Xcalibur is a pretty good bay. It is not as good as Fafnir. But that doesn't mean Excalibur is not a good bay. Excalibur is pretty good bay. It depends on your skill and the launch. So you might have a rough time using this guy, but with a little bit of practice it could work for you. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I guess these two bays are good but not good as Fafnir. They are very close to Ragnarok, but not close to Fafnir. Obviously, if you wanna buy, you can buy any of the Seig Xcaliburs. They are pretty fun to play with, I guess, but they could give you a bit of hard time using. And the reason behind this is these crazy drivers. Obviously, the sword one is pretty crazy, guys. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this battle and these bays. And I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.